Hey everyone, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by. I received the Tonic craft kit box the other day and wanted to share with you. I received, this is I think the second one in a row, because I've been picking and choosing which ones that I care about, which ones I really love and need. And something that kind of fits in with what I'm lacking or I feel that I can't live without. This one is, I believe, 62. So let's take a look. Let's get everything out of this big bottle of mist. Yeah, oh, 61. I'm sorry, it's number 61. And it's chock full of goodies. So let me get everything out of the box so it's easier for you to see. All right, so first off, as I said, it's 61 and it's message in a bottle. And I couldn't resist. I do have some ocean things, but I just love the theme. I just love the little pieces. So let me show you why I love it. This card is big this time, I just noticed. They just introduced the new trend collection, and part of this is of that collection, and it's called Coral Skies. And I think they have the whole bundle for 50% off, it says. And it's got the paper pad that we're going to be looking at, and some other colors that are in this new collection. So it's pretty large. I love that it makes like a porthole, you know, from like a cruise ship porthole they've got here. I love that it has the bottle. I do have a little porthole, but not a big one like this, and I don't have a bottle. And I just thought that was so cute. And then look, it has a sailboat, it has seashells, it has waves. Look at the little dolphin, it has the little plants. It has seashells, a little crab, palm tree, another seashell, some seagull. It just has so many cute items in it. I couldn't resist it. There's the label that they always have. I like to put my label on the front here. I also number it, so I know when it goes in the binder. Let's take a look at these stamps. If I can get some card out. A message for you. There is no one I would rather sail through life with. So glad I found you, thinking of you, best wishes. And it's got a little, reminds me of a little pirate boat, little compass, little anchor chain, an anchor, coral, seashells. Has lots of little goodies on it. So that's the dies. Now let's look at the pattern paper. Nope, let's look at the goodies first, because you know I love the goodies. And I am loving this huge bottle here of Mica Mist, and it is in Moonlit Ocean. Let's see if we can shake it up. That's so pretty. That is going to be so pretty. All right, so we've got the Mica Mist. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, Nouveau Crystal Drops, a full size. Very nice. Crystal Drops, Ivory Seashell. Oh, that is so pretty. It almost doesn't have the coloring, but it has the, like a mother of pearl, the background with the kind of gold in it. So pretty. And let's see what else we've got. Oh, mother of pearl. Oh, I love this. Embellishment mousse. So, ivory seashell and mother of pearl. Those are going to be so pretty together. Coral Chic. Looks like embossing powder, a little sample embossing powder. Yep, in the coral color. Can't tell whether it has little flecks, shiny flecks in it or not, or if it's more of a matte. Oh, this is something we haven't had. Washi tape in the coral and the blues from that trend color. All right, and that's it for that. All right, let's put these aside. All right, let's take a look at the paper. Coral Skies double-sided pattern paper, 6x6, 8 designs, 6 of each. So let's take a look. So we've got, I guess, like little coral. That's very nautical. So that's one. This one's got the coral and navy polka dots on a lighter kind of coral with hearts, coral hearts on the blue. This one's got pinstripe. I like that. And then like a flower pattern in the blues and corals. I like that for a masculine card. And ooh, this one's got seagulls. And then bubbles. Nice. Very nice. All right. And then let's take a look at the paper. Let's see if I can do this paper right. All right, let's look. This is a pearlescent card in coral luster. A regular classic card in denim blue. regular in pistachio green, regular in ivory white. Here's a not sure what this would be. It's not, well, I guess it is. All right, so this must be Peer View. Yeah, because that's the only one that's left. And then Mirror Card in Italian Rose. Pearlescent glitter card, in Sugared Coral. Wow, that is glittery. And then specialty paper in Flanders Blue. And then pure white vellum. So those all coordinate really nice together. Excuse me. Let me get a sip so I don't cough again. All right, so that's it. I like that we've got 3 full-size Nouveau products. And the washi tape, I have so much washi tape, but I had to throw a lot out because who knew it had a shelf life? But it does. So that's nice to have some new ones. Like the paper. I'm loving these dies. I just think they're so cool. So, and then don't forget, I'm sure this is still 11/31 it goes till. So if you're interested in this whole collection of the trend, the colors, the paper, all the products and stuff, it's 50% off. So, all right, so that's it for number 61, Message in a Bottle. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm glad I picked this one up. So that's it. So thank you for stopping by, and I appreciate any time that you can come and visit and take a look. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. If you have been thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button. You could also hit the little bell that's by it, and it will give you notifications. Also, I'm hoping that you liked the video, the little walkthrough, and if you did, hit that like button. I appreciate that. So that's it. Let me know if you got this one, kit number 61, and if you've used it yet. And let me know if you subscribe or you don't subscribe. You pick them up just here and there. The thing I like about Tonic is that you can continue your subscription, but you don't have to take every box. You can opt out and just do it online without any hassle. So I like that a lot. So that's it. So until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.